What's up guys, Alec here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to subtitle videos automatically online. So this is a quick and simple process, and we're going to start out by heading over to VEED.io. Once you are on VEED.io, what you're going to want to do is click on New Project. When you've clicked on a new project, you then need to select the video that you want to subtitle. So you're going to open up your documents, and then you're going to find the video that you wish to subtitle. Once you have imported the video you want to subtitle, VEED is going to upload it. You can see the progress in the bottom right. And then, as quick and as easy as this, we're just going to click on the Auto Subtitle button right here. We select the language we're talking in, so I'm speaking in English for this video, and I'm just going to click on Start. Then VEED takes anywhere between a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on how long your video is, to auto-transcribe all of the audio in your video into text and turn that text into subtitles. So now we can see on the screen here that all the subtitles have been generated for this video. So if I click on play, entrepreneurs are always making videos exactly like this one you're seeing right now, and the three keys to it are the title. So as you can see, there are subtitles playing through the video. Now you might be saying these subtitles are very small, so what I can do is I can go in and change the size of them. I'm going to then resize them here. So this, for example, I'm currently subtitling an Instagram story. But you can, let's say, if you wanted to make this an Instagram post, you could turn it into square. Now your subtitles are a bit bigger. Making videos exactly like this one you're seeing right now. So there you go, as you can see, it's playing through. Now, what you want to watch out for is sometimes VEED makes mistakes when it comes to auto-transcribing your name, for an example. So you just want to make sure you go through the entire subtitles and just check they are all correct. What you can also do if the placement of a subtitle, you don't really like it, let's say at the end here. So people can follow the video even if they haven't turned the sound on. So I want this sound on bit to be generated onto the end here. So I'm going to delete this subtitle, and now if I play the last one. So people can follow the video even if they haven't turned the sound on. So as you can see, it finished too early, so now what I'm just going to do, I want to finish it at this time currently on the timeline, so I'm just going to click on this end stopwatch for this subtitle here. And now it's generated exactly to 21.3 seconds. And now I have basically auto-subtitled my videos. I can change the style for it if I want to. There's a bunch of different changes you can make. And so if you want to bake these subtitles into your video, for example, for Instagram, so you can render the video with the subtitles actually in it. So what you can do is just click on download, and then it will render your video in HD. But if these subtitles are, let's say, for a YouTube video, what you can do is head over to options here and then just click on download as an SRT file. You can then upload this SRT file to your YouTube videos. Or you can download it as a TXT file if you want to make further changes to the subtitles. But that is how you automatically subtitle videos online using VEED.io. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.